Trapped in an Antarctic blizzard, I faced a life-or-death decision: operate on myself or succumb to acute appendicitis. Alone, with no chance of rescue, I gathered two brave teammates to assist me. Lying there under local anesthetic, I cut into my own abdomen, battling weakness and nausea. I nearly passed out, but I pressed on. When I found my appendix, it was on the verge of bursting. After nearly 2 hours of sheer willpower, I removed the diseased organ and closed the wound. Against all odds, I survived. 2 weeks later, I was back on my feet, a testament to human resilience and self-reliance.